Hey, what's happening? It's Kyle with Line Haul Truck Sales. This week on Auction Time, we've got this 2012 Kenworth T700. Let me show you a little bit about it. Cummins ISX, got a 10-speed Eaton Fuller manual transmission. Right around 873,000 miles on this truck. Came out of a small fleet, local to Ohio here. But that said, I mean, frame's in good shape. Look how smooth that rear end housing is. Drive tires look pretty good. Got air slide fifth wheel. Got dual aluminum fuel tanks. Looks, yeah, 100 gallons. We got fairings down both sides. Nice ruby red paint job, some slate gray fenders. Aluminum wheels, keep this thing standing tall. I like the way the stripe runs down the hood, keeps it kind of mean looking. Let me show you a little bit on the inside here. Got the full VIT interior. Nice Kenworth seats. Got about 873 on the odom, 29,000 hours on the clock. Everything you'd expect to see. Jake cruise control. We got dump valves, interlock, air slide fifth wheel. Again, Eaton Fuller 10-speed. Tons of room in this truck. I love the button and tuck of the VIT. Just gives it kind of a classic feel. Sleeper windows on both sides. Got a nice closet cabinet. Everything you need to keep it centrally located. Layout's real nice for the driver. Everything's convenient. Power windows, power mirrors. Let's fire this thing up and I'll show you what it looks like under the hood. Kenworth did a good job, make it easy to get the hood open on this thing. There it is, ISX. No blow by. Motor sounds pretty tight. Previous owner had told me it's got about 5,000 miles on a in-frame overhaul they had done at a small shop. I did not get any paperwork with this truck, but like I said, it seems to be pretty tight. It runs good, no major oil leaks. All right, so we'll hook this thing up to a dry van trailer real quick and run it through the lot, show you what it's all about. Hey, so there we have it, 2012 Kenworth T700. You can bid on auctiontime.com or through our website directly, linehaul.net. The bid opens May 4th and closes May 11th. If you got any questions or anything, just give me a call, shoot over an email. Thanks for watching.